everyone. So today I'm doing another mallet smash experiment. With a dry white surface, I'm going to do one puddle with white, one with pouring medium, and one with Floetrol, and we are going to see how it works. Because a couple days ago I did the video just with the colors straight on the canvas that I had painted, and it turned out well. The colors I chose were a bit too bright though. So earlier today I painted the canvas with this Flow acrylic white ARTEZA, which is from Michaels. So I'm going to use ARTEZA carmine red, ARTEZA mid yellow, and then a blue that I have. And this is just an 8 by 10 canvas. Alright. So here's the white. And then the pouring medium, which I don't like, it's ARTEZA brand. And then the Floetrol, which I keep thinking is just going to spread out when I pour it, but maybe not. Oh, it's thicker than I thought. Alrighty. Okay, I can't even get this lid off of this yellow. Go. Ooh, eggs. Actually, to make life easier, I am just going to use these colors that are in here. So the pouring medium is spreading out. Alrighty. Maybe I should have done 3 different canvases, but we'll see. Alright, so that's with the white underneath. Off. Pouring medium and Floetrol. Now we will have to wait till it dries, obviously. I don't know if it was just from the hitting of it, but I did like the Floetrol. Don't like this one. I don't know if it's just, I don't know. That one just got blobby green. That one looks good. I'm just curious now to see when they dry. This one, all the pouring medium, I wonder if this is just going to be one big shiny something. And how this will dry, if it'll dry flat against it. So yeah, so this is just kind of a real quick, I didn't want to use up 3 canvases to try them. I'm looking at, that is so ugly right there. I wonder, oh, that made it even worse. That one's really ugly. And the problem with having a dry background is then I ended up with this, which, had this been a wet background, I could have shaped it into something better. This one is selling interestingly. You can see the different cells that this one did not get. So that must be the Floetrol. But oh my god, that's so ugly. So ugly. You know what? I better write on this so that I remember. So this was paint, pouring medium, Floetrol. There we go. Otherwise I am bound to forget. The Floetrol one's not bad. Pouring medium one's really bad. So I will update you when that dries. Bye. Hey everyone, so here's the dried updates. I really should have used different colors because these are putrid. The paint one, which is where I had the paint on first, it's fine. Had I done a whole painting, I would have probably smashed some more. But it dried just fine, no issues. The pouring medium is hideous. You can see it broke apart, and also it's super shiny, and then the rest of this is dull because only this part had pouring medium. The Floetrol one is the best, I think. The Floetrol gave it an extra little splash, and it dried clear. It didn't dull the colors or anything, so I'm going to stick with doing it with a wet background with the white paint wet. But if you want to go this way, I would definitely say Floetrol as a base was the winner. So I hope this was a little bit helpful for you. And that's it. Have a great day. Bye.